Okay, so here are the 5 points for the endpoint security which we have pointed out. So our first point is 18.4.8.1 as shown here, which shows that enable insecure guest logon is set to disabled. So it shows fail. The problem with this is that if this is not set to disabled, they will not reject insecure guest logon. Means that if it's enabled, practically guests can just log in and access the data, which is not something that we want. So now we go on to our second error, which is 4.11.3, and which is this about the usage of the internet connection sharing on your DNS domain network to set to enabled, which in this sense is failed to, most likely because it's disabled. So the thing is that rationale here is that if we do not prohibit the connection, other people where non-administrators will be able to use the mobile hotspot, and it can open up the internet to all the other devices, which is not what you want, because you will not know. It's very hard to track as to who and who is using, and it also leads to potential leakage of information. Okay, so our third one will be our third one is ensuring that the connection to non-domain networks when connected to domain authenticated network is set to enabled, which we have a fail here too. So the thing is that because we do not want any network traffic to flow between an unprotected or insecure public network, because we don't want those unauthorized access to whatever that we want to have authentication for. Okay, so going on to our next one. To 5.1. Okay, so this one is ensuring that block user from showing account details on sign in. So the rationale behind this is that we want to ensure that is the account details when we are signing in is not shown, because we don't want anyone who is practically walking past, even employees, even same employees, we don't want them to walk by and see our passwords, see our login details. Our credentials will all be exposed, and this is bad because it would there's no sense of security in this sense, and there are so-called potential chances of leakage of our passwords and all that. So if someone actually has our password and all that, a lot of our stuff that are only accessible to us will be open to the public, and they might use it to spread out through the net, or try to hack into our account for private information, etc. Right, now we shall go to our last issue, and it's so this one is turning off application notifications on the lock screen. So this prevents app notifications from appearing on the lock screen. So how this helps is that it actually prevents people from who also those who walk past, or those who um, those who walk past, that they will not be able to see the information, like certain updates or certain new information that is passed on, and you want all this to be confidential, so that you not have some of the things might be sensitive and might not be meant for everybody's eyes, so we want to prevent that from happening. Alright, so now we shall go and change change and try to remediate this situation. Alright, now we will go here, we'll change it. So first one, change this to set this to disabled. We apply. So second one, we will set this network connection. Use of internet connection. So this we will enable because we want to prohibit the sharing. Alright, so on to the next. We want to prohibit this, so technically all we have to do manager, non-domain networks, we want to enable this. Yes, so on to the next. 5. Here we want to block them from showing the account details. Log on. So we want to block, we want to enable it. Then our last issue will also be to turn off app applications, which we want to enable it. Yes, and now let's do a reassessment of the thing again. So you go to the benchmark, now we hit to the benchmark and we will do a reassessment again. Next, level 1, next, start assessment. So now we wait for the assessment to complete. So now review the reports, and we shall search for all the errors that we had just now. So you can see that ensure block 0 from showing account details is a pass. And we have 10.4.11. Point 3. Then we have a pass. 10.4.21.2. We have a pass. So 2.8, 2.5, 1. We have a pass, and finally 5.5 we have a pass. So that's it.